Research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, floor mats, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.